I'm going to be talking about this vitamin C body lotion. Vitamin C body lotion comes in different forms. We have the Dacia and the Russian product. So the color one I have here is the Dacia product. Dacia product is the whitening and brightening body lotion. This body lotion is very effective for a chocolate skin type. If you are a chocolate skin and you want to maintain your skin tone, you want to brighten your skin without any side effect, you want your skin to glow without any side effect, you can try this body lotion. This body lotion is very effective. It's good for chocolate skin, not a bleaching body lotion. It's a moisturizing body lotion and a skin maintenance body lotion. If you want this body lotion to brighten your skin, you can use it with nano extract. Nano extract is the whitening body soap. If you combine these two together, you are going to have that fair skin without any side effect. So you can go for this nano extract carrot or the nano extract white, normal white one. So these two combination will gather your chocolate and give you that smooth and soft skin that you deserve.